a smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
How many times have I fallen for you? Every promise you never deliver. How many times all the words that you said had me mixing the sweet with the bitter? But I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You're shining your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter. This time, as ready as I can be. This time. I'm still in the ashes. When you get dressed, I believe better look for matches before it starts to I'm looking out from my window.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted. Looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. I'm still in the ashes when you get dressed and leave. Oh, I better look for matches. I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find. I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
The brightest light I have ever seen. The most yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? Losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you.
Guys, in-stop ko muna ang pag-organize ng fridge kasi di ko na malayan yung oras. 6:40 na pala. Dinner na dapat. Kanina pa dapat ang dinner 6 o'clock. Pero late na ang dinner nila kasi nga na-busy tayo. Kanina din, nag-film ako kanina sa labas. Kasi si Jen tsaka yung mga bata, naglalaro sila ng cricket. Then pagbalik ko dito, na-busy na tayo maglinis ng fridge. And ibalik ko na yung iba. Ang di ko na lang nagagawa ay yung mga vegetables. Yun na lang naman, hugasan yung vegetable tapos i-vacuum natin siya. Then, yeah, magluto muna ako. And then kailangan ko rin mag-transfer ng mga clips sa computer kasi kunti na lang yung memory ng ating SD card dito. So, habang nagluluto ako, magta-transfer tayo ng clips para mamaya dire-diretso yung ating pagbablog ng vegetables na i-vacuum natin. Okay, guys?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, won't see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, with a little more and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I want 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. I know that you know I saw it. Your words like little knives. Part of me thought you would have fought it. Can't say that I was surprised. Oh, 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 oh. I'm so done with you. Yeah, I'm so done with you. And I thought you'd change, but you go back to the same old ways. Yeah, I'm so done with you. I hope that it made you feel good. A warning shot for the other boys. Give my thanks only like an ex could. Now I know I made the right choice. Oh, 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 oh. I'm so done so done with you. And I thought you'd change, but you go back to the same full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in the garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. So slow when we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Guys, mag-aalauna na. Di ko pa kayo na-close. Di ko pa na-close yung vlog. Kasi kanina after ko mailagay yung mga vegetables sa fridge, at saka yung macaroni or yung croquettes sa freezer, nagpahinga ako saglit. Nagpahinga lang tayo dyan sa close saglit. And then after, pumunta ko sa kwarto ni Holly. Ayun, nag-edit na tayo. So, dire-diretso yung pag-edit ko. Di ko na namalayo yung oras. Mag-aalauna na pala. Sabi ko, hindi ko pa na-close yung vlog. And naka-ano na tayo, naka-robe tayo. Kasi medyo malamig. Hindi medyo malamig dito. So, yun na yung... Sorry. May dry cough ako ngayon. So, basta yun na guys. Thank you. Sana gusto niyo yung latest vlogs natin. And after nito, balik na po ulit ako sa late vlogs, which is yung caravan adventure namin. Abangan nyo guys kasi marami pa kaming magagandang ginawa sa aming caravan adventure. And thank you, Race. And then, ayan, nagbigay sila sa akin ng gift card sa Kohl's. Actually, pangalawa na nila itong bigay sa akin. Last time, binigyan din nila ako nung last nilang pagpunta dito. And nung inabot to sa akin ni Dan, hindi ko kinuha kasi sabi ko, ayun na naman siya, nagbigay na naman siyang gift card. So, nilagay niya to doon basta pinatong niya to doon somewhere sa kusina kasi hindi ko nga kinuha. But anyway, thank you. Ayan, may pang shopping tayo, guys. Thank you, Dan and Race. And, ang next latest vlogs ko pala ay sa November 19 kasi napaaga yung Christmas party namin. So, before November 19, may latest vlogs ulit po tayo. Pero habang wala pa yun, please support my late vlogs. Sana panoorin niyo pa rin yung caravan vlogs namin, guys. Thank you. Good night. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. And sa mga international, sa mga taga America, US, o taga saan man kayo sa mundo except sa Philippines, please follow my live selling Holy Mom Style. I-leave ko yung link down the description box. And yung sa kapatid ko sa mga taga-Philippines, ISOL Collection. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga damit sa kapatid ko sa Philippines, meron din siyang live selling. So yun na guys. Thank you. Good night. Good morning.
Because I think I do want you next to me.